In the news tonight, fogging in vain. New research shows mosquitoes becoming resistant to the insecticide. Dengue in schools, why some parents are keeping their children home. Major staff shakeup at Dunn's River Falls. And rundown, the state of the Stony Hill Fire Station in the spotlight.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Archibald Gordon.
And I am Janella Precious. We also have business news in this Primetime News package, and Herman Green is at the business desk.
Evening, Janella. Evening, viewers. Well, gas prices will be going up tomorrow. I'll tell you how much in the business day.
From business, we go to sports. Jermaine Brown is standing by with the top sporting headlines.
Thank you, Archie. Well, it's cricket, lovely cricket. And the West Indies, they almost had a good opening day against England in the opening test in Barbados. England striking late to leave the West Indies struggling a bit.
There's also sports commentary and weather in this newscast, but before the break, the feedback question.
This evening, we're asking, what measures have you taken to protect your child going to school from contracting dengue fever?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica, and tweet us at Television Jam.
Please stay with us. The news in detail after the break.